So what is the name of the federal agency that creates and enforces safety-related standards and regulations in the workplace? It is called OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Basically, whether you're here in the kitchen with me, me just being at work generally speaking, if you work anywhere else, OSHA has these guidelines. If you get hurt on the job, OSHA is there to protect you. They've got all of these things, rules and regulations, of course, that are in place to protect anybody working in any capacity. Beyond just the kitchen, this also would apply on construction sites, and if you were at Publix working or Zaxby's, wherever, OSHA is the regulating authority over that and keeping you healthy and safe. Where can you find the Material Safety Data Sheet Notebook? Okay, here is our Material Safety Data Sheet Notebook. It is located in the laundry room. When you walk in the laundry room, you're going to see some cabinets. There's a bright orange piece of paper that says Material Safety Data Sheet Notebook located here. You open up that cabinet and you're going to find this notebook. What is this notebook for? Basically, it breaks down all of our different chemicals, how to clean things, what are the properties of our chemicals. It's all color-coded for us. We have all of this information. If someone decided that they were going to ingest some of our chemicals, maybe it's pink and they're like, ooh, that looks pretty like Kool-Aid, I'm gonna drink it. Our Material Safety Data Sheet would tell us what we need to do to take care of that student. Sometimes the chemicals, whether it gets in our skin, maybe it gets in our eyes, the Material Safety Data Sheet is going to tell us exactly what we need to do to protect that person from harm. All right. Where is the fire extinguisher located? This may not make sense to you at home, but it's the right side exit. I'm in the classroom right now, and the door that goes from my classroom into the kitchen is my frame of reference. So if I was facing that door, if I walk into that door into the kitchen, on the right-hand exit, there's another door that we can get out to the other side of the hallway there. And right by that door, you're gonna find the fire extinguisher, okay? So again, the frame of reference is the door that leads from my classroom, where I am right now, into the kitchen. And when I'm standing in that doorway, to the right, you're going to notice there's another door, and the fire extinguisher is located by that exit. What is the most effective way to eliminate a grease fire, or any fire rather, but especially a grease fire, is to remove oxygen. We want to prevent when we allow the oxygen to get to the fire, we're actually fueling it more. So the number one thing, turn the heat off. If your pan happens to catch on fire, we want to turn that heat off first. But then we've removed the heat source. Second thing is we want to cover the pan. Now in here, I don't have a lot of things that I could grab. If I was close, I could grab this clipboard, put it on top of the flame, this pan that's on fire, and removing that oxygen should help to eliminate the fire. If we're in the kitchen, an effective tool might be another pan, it might be a lid, it might be a sheet pan, anything that kind of just covers this pan to help remove the oxygen. Okay, we'll talk about tomorrow why water is not appropriate. All right, I think that's all I have for today. If you have not followed along with this and you have just listened verbally, and you may struggle later, okay? You are going to see this test again, so while it might not look the same this semester, you're gonna need to know this information. So go ahead and submit it to memory, work on the safety test, print multiple copies if you can, do whatever you need to do to submit this information. My expectations of this kitchen and safety are very, very high to reduce the risk of injury for you or anybody else. Please take that seriously with me. I will go over any other information that we need in the live session today. All right, I'll see you soon.